The experts at Ply are always hard at work. As they're the world's leading company for customized trailers, over the past 40 years, they've expanded their supply chain far beyond their home country of Italy, reaching America and Asia. Their extra model is capable of carrying a payload of 23 tons. Pavi also provides innovative solutions like trailers with a sliding structure that extends the overall length by 3 meters, and a rear axle unit that can align vertically when the ramp is lowered. After this clever transformation, operators of machinery with low ground clearance can finally breathe a sigh of relief. Putting out a fire in an electric car with an MST Mueller safety trailer can be quite a challenge. Even after firefighters extinguish the flames, the fire can reignite and may require an enormous amount of water to put out completely. In one case, American firefighters used over 100,000 liters of water just to extinguish a Tesla Model S. To make this process easier, a special trailer was designed to hold and cool the fire-prone components of electric vehicles. The MST model can store up to 177,000 liters of water. These trailers are also extremely useful for fighting other types of fires, especially in Germany and across the European Union. In August 2022, suffered a tragic record, losing 700,000 hectares of forest to wildfire. There are many ways to boost both the quantity and the quality of a harvest. Right now, you're looking at one of the best options. This is a Swiss-made manure spreader, and it doesn't just distribute fertilizer, it spreads it perfectly evenly. That's a huge advantage, because too little compost can weaken soil fertility, while too much can waste money. This model is designed for a wide range of agricultural and municipal tasks. Plus, it can operate in every season, and gives the operator far better visibility from the cab compared to similar machines. The Finnish company Vammer has created a road maintenance system that needs no special equipment at all. All it takes is a small trailer, and even a simple van. Yet, the system is impressively effective. Tasks that once required an entire crew can now be done by just one driver. Smithco builds trailers that tip their loads sideways. And while that might sound simple, it comes with big advantages. With this design, unloading materials like gravel, sand, and other bulk items takes far less time. It also makes handling special loads, like fallen trees or massive boulders, much easier. The standard CP30 trailer holds up to 30 tons, but if that's not enough, you can connect and tow as many as 3 trailers at once. Smithco also equips their trailers with low-pressure tires, and another great feature, you can tip the load to either the left or the right. Most people think of garbage trucks as loud machines that leave behind bad smells and clouds of fumes, but that's starting to change. Low-emission electric garbage trucks are already being tested. For example, a Spanish company tested this vehicle just a couple of years ago. It's powered by a 340 kilowatt-hour battery and can travel up to 155 miles before recharge. After about 3 hours at the charging station, it's ready to get back to work. And it's not just electric, it's smart. The truck comes with advanced driver assistance systems, including lane assist, emergency braking, and even hill start assist. The net-cap sliding tarp makes loading and unloading trucks faster and far more efficient. It mounts directly onto the semi-trailer, can be slid into place by just one person, and lets you handle cargo much quicker even using multiple pieces of equipment like forklifts at the same time. Thanks to this system, trucks with net cap deliver up to 30% more orders per day compared to standard setups. Imagine the impact that has on an entire fleet. Independent drivers will be just as thrilled. The makers of this trailer proudly call it a workhorse for heavy haulers, but honestly, that barely does it justice. This 9-axle giant stretches an impressive 27 meters and can handle almost 113 tons. That's nearly twice the weight of an M1 Abrams tank, which tips the scales at about 57 tons. Even more impressive, every wheel on this trailer can rotate plus or minus 60 degrees. The tests of its suspension, chassis, and other components look like they're getting ready for a mission to Mars. But while the Red Planet is still far away, massive wind turbine parts, old locomotives, and other oversized loads are right here, waiting to be moved. Have you ever wondered why some roads feel smooth as glass, while others shake you like a washboard? The secret lies in the technology road crews use. Take the mobile super ski system, for example. With this setup, quality is never a concern. The system scans the road surface using 15 independent ultrasonic sensors, allowing crews to achieve a perfectly level finish. The paver operator simply follows the mobile super ski's light indicators, adjusting the screed position in real time. Even better, the entire system can be installed in just 3 minutes, and it's compatible with asphalt pavers of any make, model, or age. It's resistant to vibration, dust, and even fog. Most importantly, it speeds up the entire process, since crews no longer waste time taking repeated manual measurements. For farm animals to stay healthy, they need a balanced diet and carefully planned multi-component nutrition. Ingredients like barley, oats, and corn are stored separately in silos, then blended with special mixes. But today, those mixes are being replaced by more advanced, multifunctional machines. This modern mixer not only blends the forage, it can move around the farm and fill the feed bunkers directly. One machine now does the work of 3, saving the owner significant maintenance costs. And thanks to its large hopper capacity of 1,190 cubic feet, it's built to handle even bigger workloads with ease. The French team at Gosan, famous among motorsport fans for their hydrogen-powered Dakar truck, is pushing the boundaries of hydrogen technology. One of their latest innovations is a hydrogen platform for trucks and tractors. A quick 20-minute refueling session is enough to travel up to 8 to 100 kilometers, and the platform can support loads of up to 40 tons. The goal is to attract markets not just with environmental benefits, but with remarkable versatility. These platforms are designed to allow mechanical and software modifications, letting buyers install their own cabs, equipment, and more. Gosan has also revealed that trucks built on this platform will feature cabins styled by the legendary Italian design firm Pininfarina. In technologically advanced countries, special multifunctional vehicles are deployed whenever a streetcar breaks down. Their job is to transport the disabled streetcar quickly and, most importantly, safely to a repair location. In essence, this machine works like a towing car. It's not obvious at first glance, but in addition to its regular wheels for driving on asphalt, it's equipped with an extra set of wheels. During operation, these additional wheels are lowered onto the rails, keeping the vehicle perfectly aligned on track. The towing itself is done using hooks, one at the front and another at the rear. The Liquid X liner can carry both liquid and bulk cargo simultaneously, which is beneficial because it reduces the need to drive empty trucks back and forth. But how do you test such an unusual trailer for stability? It's easy when representatives of the German expert organization TÜV get down to business. At the test site, the truck driver performed quite risky maneuvers, and special additional wheels helped avoid capsizing. In the end, the trailer successfully passed all tests and met the required safety parameters. The Dutch company Velthausen specializes in cargo platforms, enhancing tractors, and equipment rental, among other useful things. However, they faced a challenge with German legal restrictions, which banned the operation of 8x4 chassis with a total weight exceeding 32 tons. But Velthausen's engineers found a solution. They created a truck that looks like a typical 5-axle model at first glance, but is actually a hybrid. The frame has a semi-trailer attached, which resembles and matches the strength of a regular chassis. These vehicles are officially semi-trailers, allowing for a total weight limit of 40 tons. XL specialized trailers crafted a nifty trailer specifically for transporting wind turbine blades. It stretches out to 56 m, and if that's not enough, you can extend it to 61 meters with various upgrades. Surprisingly, this length doesn't compromise its reliability. The trailer effortlessly manages loads of up to 40.8 tons. Operating the XL specialized trailer is easy with a special remote control, and detaching hydraulic hoses is a snap, thanks to the detachable hooks. The DHLM is a tail lift used to lift and lower loads. The DHLM 1.0 can handle loads of up to 1 ton, while the more advanced DHLM 2.0 can manage 2 tons. Both models automatically lower to ground level and feature 4 hydraulic cylinders, 2 lifting cylinders, and 2 rotaries. Customers can choose between aluminum and steel platforms. Aluminum is lighter while steel is stronger. The width also varies, with a maximum of 255 centimeters for both models. The DHLM10 has a smaller width of 125 centimeters. Open Box C is designed to exceed the expectations of even the most discerning customers. According to its creators, the accordion-like folding mechanism of Open Box C ensures versatility, accommodating both regular and oversized loads, making it particularly well-suited for transporting shipping containers. The features of Open Box C are tailored to the specific needs of each customer. For instance, you can order a version with a payload of 15 tons. Operating the container requires only one person, and it can be unfolded or folded in under 20 minutes. Additionally, the container is composed of 3 elements, so you don't have to replace the entire unit in case of damage. The Moros GCL 170 is a trailer designed specifically for processing scrap metal, particularly crushing unwanted vehicles. To make the process more efficient, the trailer is equipped with a crane, and its receiving section is spacious enough to load entire cars without requiring preliminary disassembly. The Moros GCL 170 operates using its own diesel engine, and its dimensions comply with road regulations in numerous countries. The creators of the SCS 300BL Ultra Semi-Trailer share a similar mindset. This trailer is ideal for transporting both square and round bales. It measures 13 by 2.5 meters, allowing it to be easily driven on public roads. One of the trailer's most useful features is its side walls. One is a regular curtain hiding a classic safety frame underneath, while the other has built-in straps making it flexible. Additionally, it can be moved up and down thanks to the hydraulic drive. Smart Truck focuses on creating aerodynamic elements for trucks. When these elements are placed beneath the trailer, fuel consumption reduces by over 10%. Considering that at speeds around 80 kilometers per hour, over half of energy consumption involves overcoming air resistance, Smart Truck's innovations seem highly promising. The Undertray UT6 kit can be assembled in just a few hours, optimizing airflow to cool brakes efficiently and prevent tire overheating. It's no surprise that Smart Truck elements are already in use, notably on the trucks of Turk Enterprises, recognized as Canada's most reliable carrier of perishable goods. Hilton Communal equips vehicles with rail cleaning systems that excel at polishing tram tracks using shearling technology. These systems employ specialized scrapers and brushes, along with a high-pressure system of 800 bar, ensuring effective cleaning even in complex areas such as switch tracks. Additionally, built-in suction components can handle up to 25,000 cubic meters per hour. The equipment is arranged so that these vehicles can seamlessly operate both on roads and railways, with dimensions designed to allow entry into subway tunnels. These air-based bags are designed for controlled lifting, holding, and lowering of various equipment, from bulldozers to trucks. One version of this system can support up to 866 tons, enough to lift an M1A1 Abrams tank. You can be confident that the system will not be damaged by the tracks. However, the most impressive feature of MatJack Landing Safe Lift bags is their exceptional reliability. Developers claim that no additional equipment is required during operation. Gravel or garbage falling out of the back of a truck leaves someone to clean up the mess. Pedestrians nearby aren't happy about it, and if the debris is as large, it can be dangerous for drivers too. To prevent these issues, Harsh has created the Flip Ando sheeting system. It is also suitable for tipping trailers and can effectively hold even loose loads. The drive is either manual or electric, and the trailer length limit is 12 meters. The sheeting is made of polyester mesh, which is resistant to fading and doesn't absorb water. The brains behind these Mercedes-Benz trucks collaborated with the folks from food giant Vian and trailer manufacturer Schmitz Cargobull to create this truck. They combined their expertise to make it as aerodynamic as possible. When the truck reaches 60 kilometers per hour, it deploys special plates that reduce turbulence, cutting down on fuel consumption. Thanks to this comprehensive package of aerodynamic tweaks, fuel usage has dropped by a solid 8 to 9%. On a larger scale, this means hundreds of thousands of liters of diesel fuel saved every year. Brule Cordona has spent hundreds of thousands of miles behind the wheel of a truck. Like many other drivers, he faces the challenge of finding decent food while on the road. Traveling from one rest stop to another, often with only questionable diners around, eating well can be difficult. That is why Cordona came up with a mobile grill that also doubles as a stove. To bring his concept to market, he founded Grill Hall. The grill's standout feature is its mounting system, which attaches directly to the truck chassis behind the cab. There is also a hitch mount for pickup trucks, and one version even includes a built-in step. It is a clever design, though the price might seem steep. The most advanced model costs $1,500. Many truckers dream of having a hammock in their cab. 9 out of 10 people might shrug this off and return to watching cat videos. But that 10th person, Stephen Saunders, decided to start his own company and sell his hammocks to everyone. The truck snoozer model costs $635 and has sold over 900 units worldwide. It measures 244 by 71 centimeters, fitting almost any tractor cab, and can hold up to 181 kilograms. No more sleeping on seats or curling up with your feet on the dash. Saunders also offers the kids snoozer hammock, which can be installed in passenger cars and is perfect for kids up to age 11. Tandem has rolled out an intriguing enhancement for trucks called Centaur. This massive box transforms an ordinary diesel truck into a hybrid, providing the driver with an additional 630 horsepower in just a few minutes of installation. In all-electric mode, the driver can achieve around 95% diesel savings. Centaur features advanced technology that charges up to 80% within only 45 minutes and can also function as an auxiliary braking system. According to the manufacturers, the economic benefits of this product can be realized in as little as 103 days. For those looking to enhance their fleet, the PowerPack system is also available for trailer systems. Applications for Centaur and PowerPack can be submitted on the manufacturer's website. SteelBro claims to manufacture the most valuable side lifters in the world. These machines convert ordinary trucks into self-sufficient vehicles, allowing containers to be placed quickly and easily anywhere. If needed, you can even load them in pairs. Containers can be transferred directly from one trailer to another or onto a flatbed rail car when conditions permit. During unloading, the long boom reach proves useful for stacking containers. The top SteelBro model boasts an impressive lifting capacity of 45 tons. Even with stabilizing legs, it moves swiftly and offers remote control functionality featuring 2-speed modes, among other capabilities. Sounds like a fantastic deal. It is no surprise that SteelBro loaders are among the best-selling worldwide. The team at Aerier Technologies modestly claims to be the global leader in tire inspections. They discovered that nearly half of all trucks have tires with lower pressure than recommended. Why is this important? Proper tire inflation can reduce fuel consumption by 2%, translating to thousands of dollars in annual savings. To monitor tire pressure, Aerier Technologies engineers created the Halo system. The Connect i3 version supports Bluetooth, RF, CAN, GPS, and LTE for two-way communication. It not only informs the driver of the pressure in each tire, but also the temperature and any suspicious vibrations. The sensors are built into the inflation device, which triggers automatically. With the Halo Connect i3 system, tire-related malfunctions are reduced by 70%, and CO2 emissions are cut by approximately 3 tons per truck annually. Check out this trailer. It not only carries up to 36,2 tons, but also extends in length. When fully stretched, it reaches 15 meters, significantly surpassing many competitors. A truck using this trailer can transport multiple pieces of equipment or long loads such as building materials. Its efficiency is further improved by a low-profile design and the adjustable Cush 25K air suspension, which guarantees optimal road clearance. Starting a business in a trailer? Sure, why not? BBM Food Trucks creates custom models for sandwich bars, pizzerias, ice cream shops, and more. Each trailer can be completely unique from its design to its equipment. However, if you prefer, there are also ready-to-go options that just need products and a friendly salesperson. For instance, a fish store trailer comes with a cooled sea, a freezer, and everything else you need. Depending on your vehicle, you can choose a smaller, more compact hard-sided trailer or a larger, more spacious model. The fish store trailer, for example, is about 7.5 x 2.5 meters. Thank you for watching today's TechNew video. If you find these technological inventions useful, remember to hit the like button and subscribe to see more shocking content. Share your thoughts about these inventions in the comments section below. See you next time.